how to solve by using the relative coordinate system. So in the previous case, when you observed here, there was 0, 0 somewhere here. With reference to that point, every point we used to give the value. But now we will be using the relative coordinate system. So what does it mean? The relative coordinate system means the position of the new point with reference to the previous point. Suppose if I want to define this, I want to define with respect to this point. If I want to define this, I want to define with respect to this. Suppose if you want to define this point, so how it will going to start? So we will going to see now. Command is line. Now, instead of giving a coordinate, I will select any one of the point on the screen by picking on the first button of the mouse. So now, here he says 200 mm. So the position of this point, now we are moving in a direction, along the direction of the UCS x-axis, it is positive. So what is the position of this point with reference to this? So here, the position of this point with reference to this means, so this point will be treated as 0, 0. So now you are moving in the direction of UCS x-axis. So it will be 200, there is no increment in y direction, it is obviously 0. Why? Because the position of this point with reference to this, so this point will be treated as 0, 0 now. When you treat this point as 0, 0, so at the rate of, it moves in the UCS direction of x-axis 200, as there is no increment in y, so it will going to become 0. So now, at the rate, why we need to give the other? Suppose if I don't give the at the rate, what happens? 200, 0. Now it will try to write something which will be wherein it will consider from 200, 0 means it will take the absolute coordinate system with reference to the origin or with respect to 0, 0. So since it is wrong, so I will say undo, because you have an undo option here. So to demonstrate that, I have used this opportunity. This is undo. Now we will going to use, so what is the position of the new point with reference to the previous point? So this point will be treated as 0, 0. So then it will be at the rate. At the rate means the position of the new point with reference to the previous point, 200, 0. So we'll get a horizontal line. Again, we are moving in the y direction. So what is the position of the new point with reference to the previous point? This point will be treated as 0, 0. So from here, you are moving in only in y direction. So what is the increment in x? The increment in x is 0. So therefore, here at the rate 0, 200. So you're going to get the 90-degree line. Now again, we are moving in a direction opposite to the UCS direction, opposite to the direction of UCS x-axis. So what is the position of the new point with reference to this? So that means in this point, it will be in the third quadrant, that is with reference to this 0, 0. So in this we have, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, and this is the third quadrant. So in the second and third quadrant, what is the position of x? The position of x is minus. So here in the first and fourth, plus, plus in the first quadrant, second quadrant is minus, plus, the third quadrant is minus, minus. So since you are moving in the opposite to the UCS direction x-axis, so it is 200. So at the rate, now I will type at the rate minus 200, 0. Now, again, we want to come back here at the rate. So there is no increment in x direction, but only there is an increment in the y direction. So here at the rate 0, minus 200. So it will going to come to the command prompt. Now, it is still asking specify next point or close or undo. So here I will just press a null return so that it will going to cancel the command. So this is how you will be able to write the relative coordinate system. So why it is called relative? That is basically because what is the position of this point with reference to this. So the position of this point with reference to this and means it is at the rate. Then you are moving along the direction of the UCS x-axis. It is 200, comma 0. So this is how you will be able to create a square. Now we will going to create a rectangle by using relative coordinate system. So here the first point is, now we'll go to this. So the first point we are going to select arbitrary point on the screen. So command is line. I will consider any arbitrary point. Then from here we have 200 mm along the direction of the x-axis. What is the position of the new point with reference to this? So this point will be treated as 0, 0. So here at the rate, 200, 0. So you'll get a horizontal line. Then again it moves in the y direction. Again this will be treated as 0, 0. So in that case at the rate 0, 100. So at the rate 0, 100 rectangle. Again, what is the position of this point with reference to this? So you are moving in second and third quadrant. So opposite to the direction of the UCS x-axis. So here it will be at the rate 200 or minus 200, 0. Then we have this option again at the rate 0, minus 100. Then enter. So it will go to closes the sketch, but still it is asking you the specify next point or undo. So now we give a null return so that you will going to get the complete the rectangle. So this is how you will be able to create a rectangle by using the relative coordinate system. The relative means the position of the new point with reference to the previous point. Suppose